So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to find out what your drive letter name is. For me, it's going to be C:. So now that I know that my drive letter is C:, now I'm going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in Chkdsk space, and now your drive letter, for me it's going to be C:. Now you want to put another space and then type in /F and then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now this will come up. Now you want to type in Y and then click on enter. And now you want to type in SFC space /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for the scan to load. You want to wait for the scan to get to 100%. I just paused the scan at 84% so I can show you what to do next in the tutorial. However, in your case, wait for the scan to get to 100%, wait for it to be fully completed. And then once the scan gets to 100% and it's been fully completed, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on again, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. You want to let this checking run this scan. Once the scan's been completed, it's going to take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.